This instrument cluster has already been repaired. Again, we replaced the pixel LCD. It's quite intrusive and a complicated repair. I would say on a scale of 1 to 5 difficulty, I would put this up on a 4. We've seen a lot of these come destroyed to the point where we can no longer repair them because, again, the gauges can separate. So if you're not entirely confident of you being able to successfully repair the LCD without destroying the gauges, I would recommend sending it to us, and that comes with a 1-year warranty to make sure everything's working perfectly. If there are any issues, they would be immediately apparent. So let's power it up and see how it works. And now you can see all the characters are showing up. We're going to do the test. This has a 2-button configuration, so we're going to hold this until we see test number 1. You want to press it again until you get test number 2, and then press the left hand side and you'll see all the pixels showing up. All the gauges are moving freely. They're moving around as they should, and you can do this test when it's installed in the vehicle to ensure that all the pixels are working properly. And once it's done, should be done right about now. And there you have it. That's basically the repair on the BMW E38, E39, and E53 platform BMWs. This is primarily early 2000s and late 90s. Yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. Leave the comments below. Like and subscribe on this video, and follow us on Instagram. We'll see you next time.